Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year to every single one of you guys. I am so excited for this season. 2023 is going to be awesome, and we're going to start out on the 1st of January with a track day with a bunch of friends. So we're out here at SpeedSportz, and it's just a freaking amazing day. Look at this. This is the first of the year. I feel so bad for everyone that is stuck in the winter in the snowy places, but we're gonna make it up to you guys. We're gonna be riding here, and I hope you guys have fun today. So the first thing is, I forgot my big camera, so it's gonna be vlogging perspective for today. To start the year with, we're gonna take Peter's 450 out. I know that we kind of mentioned it last time in the last video, but we'll do a quick little walk around of this thing. It is an absolute beast. It's super freaking cool. Peter's joking. He says this is the Panigale V4R of kart tracks, and I actually do agree. It is so freaking awesome. So this is originally a 2018 450 SXF, and then he did a complete conversion of the front end with a 450 SMR. So that's a Supermoto version of the 450s for KTMs. So you've got the triple, you've got upper and lower, that's all from a 450 SMR, and you have this really trick Brembo brake kit here, which is like super powerful brake caliper and master cylinder, and the rest of it is essentially like a 450 traction control, power modes, etc. It's just awesome bikes. I'm super excited to take it out and ride. So I'm pretty unfamiliar with them. I've ridden it like maybe once for a few minutes, but today we're gonna do a full session, so let's have some fun. Okay, let me figure out how to turn this thing on. And the nice thing is it's got a kickstand. That's the little things, guys. Yeah! 450. Kind of scared. I'm actually kind of scared. This is a lot of bike. There's actually a couple of other Supermotos out here. Let's get the tires warmed up. Let's go! That thing is sweet, guys. That's Akshay's new 2022 450 SMR he just picked up yesterday. Woo! There's Ivan Rivera, Moto America Junior Cup on his 400. Madman. Woo! Still getting used to the how physical it is to ride this thing. Holy shit, I'm tired. I'm exhausted, guys. This thing is fun, but holy shit, is it physical. Woo! Woo! Just gonna practice wheelies. Oh, I'm so bad at wheelies. Let's record claw. My buddy just started doing minis like a month ago or so. I'm so sad. Everyone's doing such dank wheelies. I can't do it. Kickstand for the win. Oh. What's up? What happened? Oh, let me see it. Is it in neutral?
I think it's so.
Nope.
Never mind.
Yeah, it should be in neutral. So go. The easiest thing is go all the way down to first, and then a little light click up to. me see. No! Here you go. Nice. It's Chris's first day on a bike. Woo! Here she is. This thing is exhausting to ride. I'm obviously not that comfortable on it, but it is super, super cool. Maybe we should be getting one. Supposedly, it's Brad Binder's choice of training vehicles. I can see how, in that it's extremely physical to ride. But is it better than an Ovale for a sport bike rider to practice on? I'm not entirely sure. Oh, Chris! Chris! Whoops.